What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaniece Jones, and I'm a pro closet organizer here in Los Angeles, California. And in this video, I'm going to give you a few quick tips on how you can organize your gym clothes to keep you motivated. Now, I highly recommend that you have a section in your closet that is designated just for gym clothes. I don't think that they should be incorporated into your everyday wear, even if they're tank tops that you use to work out in. I think that they should be separate from your everyday clothes. So in my closet, when I first walk into my closet, it's the first bay. So the first bay is my workout stuff because it's the first thing that I do after I complete my morning routine. It's easy and it's accessible. I have no excuse of why I'm not working out because I see my gym clothes, and it's just a reminder that, hey, either get on your Peloton, go for a run, or hit the weights, like one or the other, but make sure you get your workout in today. Like, that is something that motivates me because it's the first thing that I see when I walk in my closet, and it's a reminder, like, did you get your workout in today? Did you sweat? So I do recommend having a section in your closet, and preferably when you first walk in your closet. If working out is not your thing or your jam, maybe this video is not for you. But if it is your jam, and if you do work out here and there, whether it's one time a week or 5 to 7 days a week, I recommend having a section directly at the beginning of your closet to keep you motivated. Now, one of my favorite closets ever on the planet right now, current state, current moment, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but right now, my favorite closet is Khloe Kardashian's workout closet. I mean, when you see it, it makes you wanna work out. It makes you wanna have like a section in your closet that looks just like that. I mean, she has the refrigerator with her waters in it. She has, her bags, a section for her Pilates mat. She has a section for her sneakers and her leggings and the shorts and the tops. I mean, it's just beautiful, and it's just like so colorful, which is right up my alley. I love colorful workout gear because most of my regular wardrobe is neutral, but when it comes to my shoes, I like to keep things funky and fun and bright. So most of my workout sneakers, you would notice, are very bright, like lime greens and yellows and just what may have you. I used to say it speaks to my West Indian heritage, but it's just something that brings me joy. It makes me excited. It keeps me in that space of motivation. Let's get down to how to organize the gym clothes in your closet. You have the option of hanging or folding your gym clothes. I have a combination of both. So for my tops, like for my workout tops, whether they're tank tops, whether they're workout tops, like the short sleeve tops, they are hung because when they're folded, you can't really see everything. All the tops have different prints or what may have you on them. And I just think that when they're hung and they're laid out, you can see things so much more clearly. The next thing that I recommend is folding your leggings. You can either hang your leggings if you have enough space to hang them, but I fold my leggings. I have this really long drawer, it's long this way as well as deep, and the depth is really long. So when I pull it out, it's almost like I'm pulling out back stock, like in a boutique, and I'm looking through which leggings I'm going to wear. So I prefer to fold my leggings and keep them in a separate drawer with shorts that I use to work out in. And the next drawer above that are my sports bras. So for my sports bras, I like to lay them out flat. I don't fold them, because most of my sports bras have the extra support as far as having the boobs, the extra padding in the boobs. And when you fold them, sometimes you can lose the shape of them. So I recommend just laying out your sports bras, flat in your drawer, or if you have the space, and I recommend that you hang them as well. But it's totally up to you. It's totally up to the configuration of your space. I personally prefer to have my things laid out. Now, when it comes down to your shoes, now you may already have a shoe section, where you may wear some of your workout sneakers with some of your outfits. If you just have strictly workout shoes, I recommend having them in the same section as well. If you can build additional shelves underneath that section, or as for me, I have like extra drawers that are pull-out drawers where I keep my workout sneakers. So that way, when I'm working out, everything is just in one place. And above everything, I have a nice little tray where I keep my headbands, and my gloves and things that are just easily accessible. So that way I have all the things in one place. I also use a knee brace, so I keep that very close as well. So this is how you organize your gym clothes to keep you motivated, because when they are organized and they look nice and they just look enticing and they're pretty and they're color coded and they just all have a place, you are more prone to work out. Trust me, I'm telling you from experience. When you see it, the first thing that you walk in, you're like, man, I really should work out, even if I don't feel like it. it just motivates me to hit the bike or hit a run or hit the weights. So if this video was helpful for you, please make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've also dropped my free closet guide down below so that way you can get more tips and tricks on how to organize your space and make it a true oasis and sanctuary that is designed and meant just for you.